I'll tell you, I'm not great.
Well,
I'll be the first one to tell you.
So I had made this hook, right? So I decided I was going to try and forge a ring through the hook. So there's eight of these guys standing there watching me. The guy from Cooperstown is saying, well, maybe you can do it like that. And there's 5 guys
The guy
telling
from
me
Farmers?
it's not going to work. Yeah.
Yeah, Steve Kellogg.
Yeah.
There's 5 guys telling me it's not going to work.
Right.
I make it well.
And how long have you been smithing?
It wasn't a very pretty well.
How long have you been smithing?
Oh, I don't know, off and on a long time.
Yeah.
I've only been getting more serious about it since all of a sudden he got really enthused about it from me. And
Yeah.
Then it caught back at him.
Sure.
And it wasn't the world's prettiest well, but making it in front of 5 guys
To
for
do
telling
it.
me wasn't going to work.
Right.
Priceless.
Yeah, then it is. Yeah.
That's not gonna work.
That ain't not going to work.
Did you ever watch any of Mark Asprey's videos?
Is that the dude that just goes tink, tink, well, tink, tink?
Is that sick or what?
Makes it look easy.
Yeah. Oh,
That's amazing.
yeah.
But
I mean,
then
he's,
you'll watch, make yourself feel better.
Yeah.
Watch all of it at the very end as a blooper. Where he's only 890 wells,
So he's human, man.
Yeah.
big.
That's pretty.
Nice. I meant to try my harmonica. Some dogs are very It's a thing of beauty, dude. Yeah. Is it working? I'm gonna switch it off.
Now, can you
This stuff and see what I do.
can you turn that into Damascus blade stock?
Well, you
or
need
is it-
one type of metal?
Right. I know that.
Can you? Yeah. Easy. No. See, the reason is.
But I wondered because that is seeming to weld so much easier.
See how I'm getting it up to
Yep,
tap and it's
yep,
sparking, but it's not really
yep.
hurting the metal that much.
Right.
There's not a lot of grain growth.
Right.
When you try to do that with steel because of the magnesium and all the other little alloys they put in, it causes huge blooming grain growth. And you'll see the steel
Yep,
bubble up on
yep.
it. That's the grain getting really big
Yep.
before it burns. So the problem there is that the welding temperature of carbon steel and the mild steel, which is really just the same thing as carbon steel with a little less carbon. Mild steel actually has some carbon in it. It's
Right.
making it
Right.
super punch
It's a
carbon.
low point count.
But they're both alloys. They're both like alloys with a little bit of magnesium and chromium in them.